The NutriChef vacuum sealer system is the perfect money and time-saving tool. Meal preparation and cooking for a week won't be a nightmare anymore. You'll be able to properly organize your meals and be more economical. All this is possible by the secure seals the NutriChef provides. Your food will be stored safely while also keeping the freshness and nutritional values. One of the most important selling points of the NutriChef vacuum sealer is the ease of use and selling price. Its ease of handling and portability is essential. The buttons are very easy to follow and the LED lights are quite intuitive. There are also no confusing buttons or functions. Everything is made to be used easily by everybody. It's been tested with an empty soda can, and it's prevailed in that test, crushing the soda can, meaning it'll package and store your food without a problem. It is a little loud while working, not the loudest of the bunch, but you'll have to raise your voice to be heard. It does an excellent job sealing meats and dry foods. Using the delicate setting, vacuums very little air from the bag, leaving room for your fragile or crispier food not to lose its shape or break. The whole process is automatic from start to finish. However, you can also press the seal button to stop the vacuuming process and seal the bag at any time. The wet food sealing is pretty hard and requires a little effort, but it's not impossible as some users have stated. It's important to freeze the wet food for an hour and then seal it. Only then will there be a secure and safe seal. If you don't want to mess with that kind of effort, you can choose a chamber vacuum sealer as opposed to a suction vacuum sealer. Also, locking the lid in place in the first few uses takes a little bit of force, but after the break-in period, it's relatively easy. The NutriChef is the best vacuum sealer in the market today, and it's not hard to see why. Exceptional value and safety.